With that, we shift our attention now. Viewers, Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar has stoked a controversy in a striking display of his my way or the highway mentality. Ajit Pawar told some voters in Malegaon that he will ensure that there is no shortage of funds for the town if they elected all the 18 NCP candidates. He further warned that if the voters did not back the NCP candidates and rejected them, then he would also reject the people of the town in return. He threatened that if voters choose candidates outside his party, then they will face fund shortages. An outright attempt to coerce voters. He in fact boldly claimed that while voters possess the power of choice, he possesses the funds. Listen in to his threat.
तुम्ही मला 18च्या 18 उमेदवार निवडून दिले ना, मी तुम्हाला सांगितलेलं सगळं द्यायला तयार आहे, पण तुम्ही त्याचा काट मारली का मी पण काट मारणार. तुमच्या हातात मत द्यायचंय, माझ्या हातात निधी द्यायचंय. बघा काय ते.
Now, a big political storm in Maharashtra. The Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has now stepped in to shield Ajit Pawar over his fund for votes remark. Fadnavis has said that such statements are common during election season, insisting that everyone says such things during the elections.
अजित पवार जी ने जिस तरीके से बयान दिया है, फंड
अरे चुनाव में चलते रहता है भाई, चुनाव में ऐसी सब बातें करते रहते हैं, इसका कोई अर्थ नहीं होता है. देखिए, मैं आपको इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ, चुनाव के बाद सभी शहरों का विकास हमको कर रहा है. मैं भी कहीं जाऊंगा तो मैं भी बोलूंगा कि मुझे चुन कर दोगे तो मैं ज्यादा पैसा आपको दूंगा, बोलना ही पड़ता है.
My colleague Nilesh is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Nilesh, very clearly, it also seems like the Chief Minister is also shielding Ajit Pawar. It seems to be an attempt to downplay the entire controversy. He says everyone says it. But Ajit Pawar goes to the extent to tell the voters, either vote for me or you get no funds whatsoever.
Well, yes, Pratha, certainly we have been speaking of DCM Ajit Pawar, who is known for his controversial remark. The latest one coming in where he is seen indirectly trying to threaten the voters of Malegaon. Ajit Pawar in his statement can be heard that if you cut my votes, I will cut your fund. But the question that currently the opposition leaders are asking Mr. DCM Ajit Pawar is that fund belonging to DCM alone? Is it his money that he's taking credit of, or is it the hard-earned taxpayers' money that should be utilized for development of the state, for the welfare of the citizens? But now, however, it is also quite shocking to see that earlier it was Ajit Pawar himself who was trying to defend himself by stating that similar statements were given by Tejasvi Yadav in Bihar. Then why is he alone being targeted? Now CM Fadnavis himself coming to shield his partner, that is DCM Ajit Pawar, is also quite a strange statement, stating that this is a political statement and nothing should be controversial about it. But the question arises that these individuals, these leaders are meant to serve the citizens. They have taken oath to serve the citizens. Rather than threatening them, the focus should be providing facilities to them, and the voters would be ultimately giving out their votes to them if they feel satisfied by the development work. But the threat message that is sounding from the tonality of Ajit Pawar is of a concern to the democracy as well.
Absolutely. It's not talking about the work that he has done to say that this is the development we will bring in, but instead saying that if you don't vote for us, then these constituencies are not going to, these areas are not going to get the funds. That's a very clear message coming in from him. This blatant intimidation igniting a political uproar, prompting fierce criticism from the opposition as well. In fact, the Shiv Sena UBT has reminded Ajit Pawar that it was the taxpayers' money. It wasn't his personal fund which he was spending as per his own wishes. Uddhav's party, in fact, also urged the Election Commission to take note of the Deputy Chief Minister's statement. The Samajwadi Party also gunned for Ajit Pawar, saying threatening voters has become the identity of the NDA. Remember, this isn't the first time when Ajit Pawar has drawn the opposition's ire for being on a power trip. Recently, he also deflected responsibility for the alleged Pune land scam entirely onto the sub-registrar who executed the sale deed while fiercely protecting his own son, Parth Pawar. Take a look at the reactions.
लेकिन अजीत दादा जिस प्रकार धमकी दे रहे हैं कि वो विकास निधि के इनके घर का क्या अजीत दादा के ये तो जनता का पैसा है। इसलिए इस प्रकार की बातें करना इलेक्शन कमीशन ने इसके तरफ ध्यान देने की जरूरत है।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी उनके जो सहयोगी दल हैं, ये कोई नई बात नहीं कि अजीत पवार ने जनता के बीच में चुनाव प्रचार के समय पे इस बात को कहा हो कि अगर वोट नहीं मिलेगा तो वो उनका फंड रोक देंगे, जो सुविधाएं मिलनी चाहिए, जो जनता के बीच में उनकी योजनाएं रहती हैं उनको रोकने की बात कही। समाजवादी पार्टी समझती कि बहुत से भारतीय जनता पार्टी के देश भर के विधायक जो कि विभिन्न राज्यों के हैं, वो समय समय पे वोटर्स को धमका चुके हैं, समय समय पे वोटर्स कह चुके हैं कि ये वोट नहीं देते तो मैं इनका काम क्यों करूं। तो ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी एनडीए का चरित्र है।
And well, Bengaluru woke up to high energy